Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the lower drive shaft on the string trimmer. This one is worn out and doesn't spin. First I'm going to take the lower half off of the string trimmer. It's a little difficult to see, but the end of the drive shaft has worn out and is stripped, so I'm going to replace it. I'm going to loosen and remove this collar here. Now I am going to remove the screw from the lower housing. Okay, remove this screw from the collar. And now I've removed the head unit. And here you can see is the lower drive shaft that needs to be replaced. So we're just going to pull this out all the way through. And up here is the upper end that has worn out and is the reason the drive shaft needs to be replaced. You can see here I have the new drive shaft. It comes unlubricated, so we'll have to grease it as we install it. Okay, I just put a dab of grease here on this glove. I'll leave the drive shaft extended out by several inches from the end so that I can get the drive shaft keyed into this fitting down inside the pocket. And once that's in place, I'll go ahead and slide this tube all the way into the collar. And with that installed, I will go ahead and put this retaining screw back in the collar. Okay, with the retaining screw in place, we're now going to slide the collar back over the shaft. And we will tighten this down securely in place. Okay, now we're ready to put the string trimmer back together and try it out.